We've all been there. You're starving after a long day, order your favorite takeout, and then panic. You forgot your wallet, or worse, there's not enough cash for that surprise extra you added. But fear not, fellow foodies, and everyone else, because there's a super convenient way to pay in Southeast Asia, grabpay. For those who aren't familiar, Grab is a giant tech platform in the region, offering ride-hailing, food delivery, and, you guessed it, a digital wallet called grabpay. It's like having your bank card, rewards program, and magic money dispenser all on your phone. So, how exactly do you use this magical grabpay to ditch the cash and pay with a tap or scan? Buckle up, because we're about to show you exactly how to become a grabpay master in a few easy steps. Step 1. Download the Grab app. It's free. This might seem obvious, but it's the first step. Grab the Grab app from the App Store or Google Play. It's free, and using it is even better. Once downloaded, open the app and follow the prompts to create your account. You'll need your phone number and a valid email address for this. Step 2. Top up your GrabPay wallet. Think of your GrabPay wallet as your war chest for cashless transactions. To use it, you need to add funds. There are several ways to do this. Link your debit or credit card. This is the most common method. Simply go to your GrabPay wallet section in the app, find the top-up option, and link your card. Once linked, you can top up your wallet with a few taps whenever needed. ATM transfer. If you prefer old-school methods, you can transfer money from your bank account to your GrabPay wallet via ATM transfer. The app will provide the necessary details for the transfer. GrabPay partners. Some partner merchants, like convenience stores, allow you to top up your GrabPay wallet directly at their outlets. Step 3. Paying with GrabPay's the fun part. Now that your GrabPay wallet is loaded, it's time to unleash its power. Here's how you can use GrabPay for different transactions. In-store payments. Look for stores with the GrabPay logo displayed. They'll usually have a QR code at the cashier counter. Open your GrabPay app, tap on Pay, and scan the QR code. Enter the amount if needed, it might be pre-filled for some stores, and confirm the payment. You'll see a notification on your phone and the store system confirming the successful transaction. Easy peasy. Online payments. Many online merchants in Southeast Asia now accept GrabPay as a payment option. During checkout, simply choose GrabPay as your payment method and follow the on-screen prompts. You might be redirected to the GrabPay app for confirmation, but the process is generally smooth and secure. Sending and receiving money. GrabPay also lets you send and receive money directly to other GrabPay users. This is a great way to split bills with friends or send some pocket money to the fam. Just find the send or receive option in your GrabPay wallet and follow the app's instructions. Bonus tip: grab those Grab rewards. Using GrabPay isn't just convenient, it's rewarding too. With every transaction you make using GrabPay, you earn Grab rewards points. These points can be used for discounts on future Grab rides, food orders, or even converted into cash vouchers. The more you use GrabPay, the more rewards you rack up. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, ditch the cash, embrace the digital future, and happy GrabPaying.